So it is Sunday, and after a very busy Saturday, we had 6 different parties. We fed a few hundred people and did 16 different dishes. Simple pickup today. 20 pieces of chicken in a fruit tray. So we're gonna get that grill lit and get started. After a busy Saturday, I gave the rest of the staff off on Sunday, came in and did a simple pickup on my own. Had a few partial bags of charcoal left over, happened to be just enough to get 20 pieces of chicken. First thing I did was got the grill lit. Coals take about half an hour to be ready to cook. That ensures that all the coals are nice and lit and that all of the fluid has cooked off. So I got that started, and then it was time to get some lemons cut for the chicken. About halfway through that charcoal lighting process, 15 minutes in, I went out and gave them a stir just to make sure that there was no pockets of fluid that hadn't caught yet. But while those were catching, got the lemons cut up, got a small fruit tray made. Was going to make it 2 fruit trays, and I realized that it was enough fruit to put nice one big full tray together, so that's what I did. Once the coals were ready, it was time to grill the chicken. It was just chicken in a fruit tray, so real simple pickup. Once I get this chicken done, I'll be finished for the week. So this is the last chicken of the week. All in all, we did about 400 or so pieces of chicken, along with a ton of pulled pork and brisket, and along with a few other things. I think, like I said in that clip earlier, we did 16 different dishes Saturday. That's not counting what we did Wednesday and Thursday. After a busy week, it's nice to come out and just spend some time on the grill by yourself in silence, some time to do some thinking and reflecting on how things went. And it's, I enjoy grilling, so that's why I do this. Don't get to sit and do it in peace very often, but a nice easy Sunday pickup gives me a chance to do that. And once the chicken's done, another little dab of sauce, fresh squeezed lemon, and a little seasoning, and that chicken got picked up with that fruit tray, and that was it for the week. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment for the algorithm, and stick around next week to see how July ends. Thanks for watching.